Living in California's beautiful landscapes comes with the responsibility of safeguarding our homes against wildfires. One critical aspect of this protection is ensuring your home is equipped with fire and ember-resistant vents. Did you know that wind-blown embers can travel miles ahead of a wildfire, entering homes through vents and igniting them from the inside? In fact, experts agree that 90% of all homes are ignited by flying embers. So, how can you determine if your home requires these specialized vents? Here's a simple guide. First, check if your property is located within a wildland-urban interface zone. These are areas where residential developments meet wildlands, posing a higher risk for wildfires. Alternatively, you can contact your local building department or fire authority for this information. Homes built after 2008 in wildland-urban interface zones are generally required to have fire-resistant vents. As per California Building Code Chapter 7A, if your home was constructed before 2008, it's advisable to check with local authorities, as some regions may have updated regulations requiring retrofitting. Some insurance companies mandate the installation of fire-resistant vents to maintain or renew coverage, especially in high-risk areas. Reviewing your policy can provide additional guidance. If your home requires these vents, it's essential to know where they should be installed. Attic vents. All vents leading into attic spaces, including eave, soffit, and gable end vents. Vents on the sides of the home, near the roof peak, should be protected to stop wind-driven embers from entering attic spaces. Foundation vents. Vents located in the foundation or underfloor areas should be designed to block embers while allowing proper ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. At Byers Home Hardening, we offer CAL FIRE-approved Vulcan vents, featuring corrosion-resistant mesh and an intumescent coating that expands under high heat to seal off fire entry points. These vents are designed for easy retrofitting, customization, and painting, ensuring they blend seamlessly with your home's aesthetic. Protecting your home from wildfires is not just about compliance, it's about peace of mind. By ensuring your vents are fire and ember-resistant, you're taking a crucial step in safeguarding your property and loved ones. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact Byers for a free home hardening estimate today and let us help you fortify your home against wildfire threats.